Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. So today I'm back with another DIY video. In today's video, I'll be doing the most trending canopy setup, which is very pocket friendly and also quick to make. So yes, I have also mentioned the link for all the items I have used in the description below. You can go and check it out from there. And also guys, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for more such videos. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video.